The black dog scavenges the dark lanes of the mind. Those loathsome footpaths will never be safe again. The Sumerian demon with baleful breath, diminishing the light wherever it tracks. I want to die. The black shuck has got a hold on me. It attacks the body like a malevolent virus, eats you inside out. Its ghost travels through human action and words before taking up residence in the victim's thoughts. From there, the black dog squeezes into the soul. You know it because he scrunches your stomach into a tight paper ball and forces it out your anus. 10 times worse than depression. Then you're a goner. Roughly the size of a large calf, its footfalls are silent, the portents of death hidden behind a cloak of evil. Infection can cause a profound psychological and physical experience. Victims will become weary, their sex drive is sapped to a mollusk shell. Insomnia and loss of appetite usually follow. Eventually, the corruption of the mind will lead to suicide. His howl will ruin the night.